What up, everybody? You want to know what's going on down south? Mississippi, we the only ones. Well, southern Mississippi got snow. You see my neighbor's car? Frosted. Roofs, frost. Roofs, frost. Let me see if my roof frosted. Nope. No frost on the ground. It was this morning. Just the regular old leaves. You know. Just giving y'all an update what it look like down south right now in Mississippi. You feel me? Frost on the roof over there. It melted over here for some reason. I guess the sun, you see. Can you see the sun? Dang, oh, I see it. Oh yeah, Mother Nature. Another beautiful day above ground. God bless us all. See, talk to y'all later.